All right, what's up, man?
Yeah. What up, buddy?
Cheers. Morning coffee. All right. Let's get into it.
Mhm.
Last week of April. Can you believe it's May is next week? Holy crap.
Woo.
Almost halfway through the year. And every week we have a theme. This week's theme, following success, is hustle, baby. Let's hustle. Let's hustle. Right now is how we end the year strong, right?
That's right.
Third quarter, fourth quarter, like right now, and these next 3 months are so crucial to how we finish. It's not even funny. Like, you need to put foot, gas pedal all the way down right now.
Yeah.
Why don't you read what hustle says?
Yeah, man. Hustle. It literally says the only controllable pillar of success. We talk about, let's go back for a second, Ravi. Yeah. Remember when the pandemic hit and we had to start doing Zoom and we had to start all these things, and almost every call, whether it was coming from international, when we did the pivot, classes and those kind of things, and we getting everybody together, trying to revamp what we're doing and what we can do. And one of the most important aspects of that was you need to control the controllables, right? We didn't know what the CDC or the government or whoever was going to be in charge, your mayor, your governor, whatever. We didn't know what they were going to say. We didn't know what they were going to do. And it was truly out of our control. So if we sat around trying to worry about that, it really takes you down.
Yep.
So when we talk about control the controllables, well, the only controllable pillar of your success is literally how you hustle. Mm-hmm. And I read it to you earlier, but in the Urban Dictionary says that hustle is to strive headstrong and voraciously toward a goal. And man, I couldn't agree more. Like when I say hustle, when you say hustle, I mean, we've been told our whole lives, come on, hustle, right? Yeah. You get to the field and
I have some PTSD with the word hustle, but
right. Yeah. I mean, you still hear it. It's time to hustle. And you're right. And here's the thing, what you just said is very important. So, at the end of last year, we talk about, you want to start your new year off. You can't let up. October, November, December. I know it's getting cold, and I know that there's holidays, but we said just stay on it. Keep updated with your database. Keep adding to your database. Just keep going. And then you start out the year, and we've seen those people. We've had the best start to our year in the history of our company, right? The best January, February, March in the history of our company, and April's about to destroy all numbers. But I want people to understand is that those numbers aren't coming. Those are the fruits of the labor, but the results of April started in October.
Yep.
And so again, we said in January, February, March, hey, this is the time. If you took those months off, or if you struggled in those months, whatever, hey, it's a new year. It's a new time. Let's roll. It's a new quarter, because those months are going to lead you into these summer months. And just like you said, and how you act today is what you're going to have, 3-4 months from now.
Exactly. And
you got to hustle.
So in hustling, we also have to hustle in the right direction, right? So you remember, we'll always remind you to stay in alignment with your goal. So you must be hustling towards your year-end goal. And if you sat down with Jeremy, you should have the right goal in mind. And along the way, we have to continue to master those behaviors, right? So the behaviors. Right. So are we hustling, doing the right behaviors or not, right? So that's an important distinction, is that we can absolutely go in the wrong direction. And if we do, like sometimes, it happens to all of us. How quickly can you get back on the right track? So, but if you've mastered those behaviors to achieve the success that you want to achieve, you'll absolutely get back in alignment very quickly. You'll feel it. You're like, something's not right. Just like a couple weeks ago, I was like talking to my coach. I'm like, I just felt off, and I know exactly what I need to do. I need to do this. And he's like, yeah, like, whereas before I could probably go months without even realizing it. And I actually have. So it's about, because it's the repetition Repetition is boring, but it's repetition. You're creating that muscle memory in order to master those behaviors. And when you veer off track, it's not a matter of if, it is a matter of when.
Sure.
You can get right back to it.
That's right.
Right back to it.
It's a good point. And we were talking about this earlier. It says, on my board, it says you can know and understand the technical side, but you won't have success until you master the behavioral side. Mm-hmm. And you just said it, man, is like, you've got to create, another word to say behavior is habits.
Yep.
We've heard all these terms, but here, I love what you just said. And I hope people got it, is even for yourself, doing this as long as you have, it's creating the success, the business, and being a profitable company, and all the things that are going great for us now, that we started behind it, right? We started, with not being any of those things. And so here we are. But the thing is even so, there are those times when we get off and we start to waver, and we go, oh shoot, I'm going this direction when I need to get back in alignment with my goals. So there's an assessment there too. Mm-hmm. So take an assessment of your situation. Look at your database. How many people are in there? How often are you communicating with them? Right? Are you truly building a profitable business? Because if you're not, that's where you start, right? You got to reassess and then hustle there, right? Because it's the only controllable pillar of success. Control it. It's up to you.
And remember, it's not about what you know, it's how you behave.
That's right.
So
absolutely
master that behavior and hustle. All right, guys.
100%, man.
Cheers.
Cheers, buddy.
All right.
Morning coffee.
See y'all tomorrow.